Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. My name is Usama bin Tariq, and today we will be discussing about the interface of Matlab software, which is the software package for doing the numerical computational problems and different kinds of problems related to the mathematical field. So, before I tell you about the interface of Matlab software, we will start with the introduction of Matlab. What Matlab is? So Matlab is a software package for doing numerical computations. It was originally designed for solving the linear algebra type problems using matrices. Its name is derived from matrix laboratory. So what Matlab is? This is very important question which people frequently ask, and it's the major question for new users of Matlab. So मैं आप लोगों को बताता हूँ कि Matlab है क्या. Matlab एक ऐसा सॉफ्टवेयर पैकेज है जो कि स्पेशली डिज़ाइन किया गया था. किस लिए डिज़ाइन किया गया था? कि न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम्स को with the help of a software which is known as Matlab उनको सॉल्व किया जा सके in an easiest way and in a fastest and in an efficient way. So Matlab has since been expanded and now has built it in functions of for solving problems requiring data analysis, signal processing, optimization, and several other types of scientific computations. So initially it was designed to solve the numerical problems, numerical computations, for doing the numerical computations, but now with the expansion of technology, with the expansion of the computing field, Matlab has also expanded, and now it has features to do the data analysis and signal processing, optimization, and several other types of scientific computations. So it also contains now the 2D and 3D graphics and animations. So what the 2D and 3D graphics are and animations are, we will discuss all these things in the next videos, since this is the package which I will design for all of those people who want to learn the Matlab in an easiest way. I will tell you the basics of Matlab in a very easiest way. So don't worry about that, just focus on what I am discussing here in my video. You will be very professional after viewing all of these videos which I will upload for all of you guys. So now, after the brief introduction of Matlab software, let's move forward to the interface of Matlab. So I have to move forward now. This is the environment of Matlab 2009A version 7.8. So it has a very simple and very user-friendly interface. First thing is this is I think so. I hope you will be able to see my cursor. Now I am on the bar which is known as a menu bar. Menu bar is the type of the bar which has multiple number of menus, like it has the file menu, edit menu, view menu, debug, parallel, desktop, window, help. So initially you just have a knowledge about the basics of interface of Matlab. So this is known as the menu bar containing multiple number of menus. And next one, which is in the bottom after the menu bar, is known as toolbar. Toolbar has multiple number of tools. For example, it has a saving tool, cut tool, a run tool, and multiple number of tools, including the a space which is known as a space which is describing the current working directory in which we are working, in which we our file of Matlab.m file will be saved after when we have done with our work, and it is representing the directory in which our file will be stored. So now we are in the directory C of we are now in the Matlab directory of which is the subdirectory of documents, and documents is the subdirectory of John, and John is the subdirectory of user, and we are in the local disk C. So this is known as toolbar. Now after toolbar, this area is a very important area. You must have the basic knowledge now about this area. So the current directory content area is the area which is representing all of those contents in upon which we are performing multiple number of operations, like variable name will be displayed here, and all of the data containing these variables will be displayed here, and all of the data which variables have will be represented by the current directory content area. Now this area is known as file details area. File details area will display the details of a file which here is known as Matlab file. Matlab file having extension .m file containing multiple number of details of this file will be displayed in the file details area. Now one of the basic area of the interface of Matlab is the command window area. Command window area is the area in which a user, user of Matlab will type the commands here in the command window, and the operations against these commands will be performed in this area. So this is known as the command window area. Now this after the brief introduction of all these areas, let's move forward to the workspace and variable list area. So workspace and variable list area is same as the area like current directory content area, having the information of the content of the directory now, which is the Matlab directory, and the workspace area has the information about multiple number of variable list containing multiple number of values containing the minimum and maximum values of all those variables which have described and which have assigned by the user of Matlab, and a person who is giving commands in the command window area to perform multiple number of operations. So this is known as the workspace area, and it is very important part of Matlab interface. Now command history area is the area containing the history of all these commands which have already being performed over the interface, and it contains the history of all operations which had been performed in past, and it also displays the multiple number of information about the previous commands, like its date will be displayed here and time at which the previous command was executed. So now this was the interface of our Matlab software. So after this video you will be I hope so, after watching this video you will be able to describe anyone to describe the normal person that what is the interface of Matlab software and what are the common features of the interface of the Matlab software, which is the user-friendly environment, and it is the graphical user interface environment having embedded command line environment where we can type our commands to perform multiple number of operations in an efficient way to do the mathematical computations and optimization, and which we have already discussed that many scientific problems, like we can also perform the 2D and 3D and animated functions here using the Matlab software. So thank you so much, and please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos, and bye.